Outside the snow is falling, cold and crisp and deep. But inside our cozy workshop, secrets we will keep. The wood stove crackles softly, a warmth against the chill, as we start our special project with a craftsman's quiet skill. A block of pine before us, waiting to awake into a festive figure, for goodness gracious sake. Oh, we're carving out Christmas with a whirring joyful sound, the spirit of old Santa, soon to be profound. With a trusty chainsaw humming, shaping every line, a masterpiece of magic for this special holiday time. Will be so crispy, a pure and snowy white. His cheeks a rosy pink, glowing ever so bright. His missus made his outfit a bright and cheerful red, to keep him warm and cozy from his toes up to his head. Big, fat, green wool mittens, carefully stitched by elves, protecting precious presents up upon the highest shelves. Oh, we're carving out Christmas with a whirring joyful sound, the spirit of old Santa, soon to be profound. With a trusty chainsaw humming, shaping every line, a masterpiece of magic for this special holiday time. For the season, the sleigh bells soon will ring, so gather milk and cookies and let your good cheer sing. Santa Claus is coming on his way to every town, bringing joy and wonder, turning every frown upside down. Oh, we're